Hello, welcome back, guys. Quickly, I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram account from a regular account to a business or professional account. And some of the importance of having a professional account are for business insight, helps promote your sales and your brand. It gives your business credibility and visibility and offers you advertising opportunities. Now, this is the best option for businesses and brands looking to establish strong presence online, or content creators and influencers who seek to access insights on their content, or anyone at all who wants to leverage Instagram for marketing purpose, networking and business purpose. Well, if you'd like to learn about this, follow me to the end of this tutorial to know more. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel for more content and tutorials. Let's dive in. Now open up your Instagram app. Tap on the bottom right corner of your Instagram to go into your profile. Now tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner of your profile. Now tap and open settings to view your settings menu. In settings, tap on account to view more about your account information. Now scroll up and tap into switch to professional account. Good. So you can see, guys, say switch to a free professional account. Now with a professional account, you can get access to insights about your followers and account performance, new contact options and more. Go ahead to click on continue, and it says learn about your followers. With a professional account, you can get insights about your followers and see how your posts are performing. So go ahead to click on continue. So it says reach more people. With a professional account, you can create promotions on Instagram to help reach people and build your community, which is good. So go ahead to click on continue. Now it says get new contact options. So it says with a professional account, add a contact button to your profile to make it easier for people to get in touch with you. Now go ahead to click on continue. And I say what best describes you. Category help people find account like yours. You can change this at any time. So just pick a category that best suits your profile. It could be a digital creator, community, a clothing brand, a blogger, or anything at all. Go ahead to pick a category that best suits your niche. You can also toggle on display on profile, and by doing this, your niche category will be displayed on your profile. Now click done to continue. Now it says, are you a business? Based on the category that you selected, you may be a business. You can change this at any time. So it says business. This is best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service provider. But if you're a creator, it says creator is best for public figure, content producers, artists, and influencers. Select a category for your niche and click next to continue. And you'll be asked to review your contact info. It says this information will be displayed on your profile publicly so people can contact you. You can edit or remove this information at any time. So you can add a business email, business address, business number, or activate Instagram audio calling. When done, click next to continue. Now you'll be asked to share login using Account Center. It says setting up your Account Center makes it easy for you to log in with Facebook or Instagram, sharing your posts and stories, and manage your account in one place. So if you like this feature, you can click on continue, or if not, you click on not now and move to the next page. Now we move on to set up our professional account. It says now you have professional tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. Let's get started. So step one is to get inspired. Now if you toggle on get inspired, you'll be prompted to follow other businesses or creators to see how they share content and engage with their audience. Now these are creators in your niche. You can go ahead to follow any of these creators, engage with their posts, and see how they connect with their audience. After observing these businesses, click done to continue. Now the next phase of setting up is to grow your audience. It says invite your friends to follow your account. You can also follow your friends to engage them to follow you back. When you have successfully invited your friends to follow your profile, click done to continue, or click cancel if you have no intentions to invite your friends. Now the next step to set up your professional account is to introduce yourself. It says showcase your brand, mission, or great ideas by sharing a post, which should be easy. Step 4 to setting up is to explore tools and insights. So we can observe our page insights. It says see how your content is doing with analytics about your content performance and the people who engage with it. So opening this, we can view insights regularly to check your content performance. You can check your account reach, account engagement, total followers. Also, we have a feature for ads. So it says reach new people on Instagram when you boost a post or story. Create your first ad in less than 5 minutes. So opening this up, so we can choose to create ads and reach as many people as we'd like. Another great feature to explore tools and insights is frequently asked questions. It says have more meaningful conversation by suggesting questions that people can tap at the beginning of a chat with your business, then create automated response to those questions. If I go ahead to open it up, it says add a question. Suggest questions that people can ask at the beginning of a chat. Then set an automated response to those questions. When done, tap save and head back into your profile. By switching to a professional account, you unlock a range of tools that can grow your presence and build your profile. You can go ahead to enjoy these amazing features of a professional account. Subscribe for more useful content and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.